Welcome to Washington, D.C., and the imposing home of the Federal Reserve. This institution holds the keys to the American. Join me as we step inside the Federal Reserve to discover how the United States produces billions of U.S. dollar banknotes every year.
Precision harvesting preserves the premium fibers required for secure United States currency. Only the highest grade cotton earns its place in the USA dollar production process. Every approved cotton bale is carefully protected before beginning its secure industrial journey. Every approved cotton bale is carefully protected before beginning its secure industrial journey. Now the journey toward America's secure currency paper facility officially begins.
The harvested cotton begins its journey toward the first stage of industrial.
Every bale is carefully documented before industrial processing begins. Only the purest cotton fibers are selected for the paper that will become America's currency. Only the finest American cotton fibers qualify for the paper behind every USA dollar. Industrial precision transforms delicate fibers into secure, transport-ready cotton bales. Industrial precision transforms delicate fibers into secure, transport-ready cotton bales. Each shipment is documented and secured before leaving for currency paper production. The purified cotton now begins its journey toward becoming the foundation of every USA dollar. The journey of America's currency enters one of the world's most secure paper manufacturing facilities. Every delivery enters the facility under tightly controlled environmental conditions.
Watch your back, coming out now. Got it, scanning Bali. Send it down the line.
All parameters within tolerance. Confirmed. Send it to wrapping.
Inside the hydropulper, pure American cotton begins its transformation into secure. Refining creates the exceptional strength required for every USA dollar. Perfect consistency is essential before forming secure currency paper. Every sheet begins as a perfectly controlled layer of cotton fibers. The foundation of every USA dollar now takes physical form.
Strength and precision are built into every sheet before printing can begin.
Look at the tension stability here. It's holding perfectly centered. Yep. The alignment is flawless. We are good to continue.
A flawless surface ensures flawless currency production. The moment of printing has finally arrived. Specialized security inks prepare to reveal the world's most recognized currency. Every engraved line is engineered with extraordinary precision. Every USA dollar begins with carefully engineered security inks. Perfect ink distribution ensures flawless printing on every sheet.
Each color layer brings the USA dollar closer to its final appearance.
The first engraved impression gives every USA dollar its unmistakable depth and precision. Advanced offset technology prints thousands of precise security patterns every hour. A protective finish helps preserve every printed detail. Every USA dollar receives a unique identity that can never be duplicated.
The verification rate is holding steady at 99.9%. Noted, the alignment checks are all green.
Perfect alignment guarantees perfect finishing. Precision cutting prepares every sheet for its final form. Individual banknotes finally begin to take shape. Every bundle is counted with absolute precision before final inspection. Every USA dollar is inspected with microscopic precision before approval. Precision counting guarantees every bundle contains the exact number of banknotes. Every bundle is securely sealed before final packaging. Robotic precision prepares every currency brick for secure storage. Robotic precision prepares every currency brick for secure storage. Every currency brick is protected before entering secure storage. Every currency brick is protected before entering secure storage.
With final packaging complete, the USA dollars are ready for secure vault storage.
Freshly printed USA dollars now enter one of the most secure storage facilities in the world. Every pallet is stored under tightly controlled environmental and security conditions. Every pallet is digitally tracked from production to final distribution.
The final stage prepares America's currency for nationwide distribution.
Every shipment leaves under the highest level of industrial security. Manifest confirmed. You are cleared for departure. Gate closing behind you. From secure production to national distribution, every USA dollar completes an extraordinary journey. The journey continues as newly printed USA dollars reach the nation's secure distribution network. Every shipment is verified once again before entering national circulation. Every shipment is verified once again before entering national circulation. From here, the USA dollar begins its journey to banks across the nation.